How to make no one can message you on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can message you on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points here in the bottom corner, and now click settings and then privacy, and here just go down and you will find who can message me. Click on it and then click no one, and that's how to make no one can message you on Roblox mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.